coming now.
station. Your cellphone. Ay. Oh,
Oh.
here you go the Kamaya Coast, guys. Welcome to Kamaya Coast. Di ba, guys? Ay, ganda dito, guys. May pa-QR code pa sila. Station.
Hi, welcome to Kamaya Coast.
Hello.
What's your name?
Let's see. Where do we put this here? Here? There? Oh,
Can you ask me your name, sir? How many person inside the vehicle, sir?
2.
Alright, your booking has been confirmed. Let me now proceed. Thank you.
Thank you.
I remember this all the time. Andito na naman kami. Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh. Dami nilang ano. Beachfront. Wrangler. Oh, di ba guys? Oh, ang dami nilang ano.
Must be the airport. It's going to be up here. I was up at the top. I think maybe there's some houses up there.
Beachfront. Pwede ba guys? Ganda. Ganda sa aming natin Beachfront. Ito guys, overlooking. Welcome to Manara. Oh, ganda guys. Gaganda ng bahay dito. Laki. The one is like, looks like a house. The one, it's like a box. Da-da-dun-dun-dun. Okay. Ang gaganda ng house. Look at that. To the beachfront. Huh? Wow, ganda. Look at this. It's too big. Oh my God. Ganda ng mga ano guys. Ang ganda ng mga bahay. Ang ganda ng bahay. Dito yung bahay nila Pokpang. Oh, di ba guys? Maybe we're lost. Are we lost? Wow.
I'm going to the same place.
That's nice.
See, okay, that's more
Yeah.
like it. They can put the car in there, see? Oh, I'm sorry. Let's go around.
Okay. Dito guys, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng mga bahay.
Here's something like this. That's even nicer. You got that? Yeah.
The church, my love, oh. Looks like a church.
The church.
Yeah, but that's a house. Oh, that one is nice, though. It's too big.
It's bigger.
Sino nagsabi na hindi pa gawa ang Kamaya Coast? Gawa na yan. Ito yung bahay ni Pukpang. Oh, diba? Oh, look at the house. Look at that. What's that? Oh, guys.
They said the height limit is what? What'd she say?
9.
9 meters.
Yeah, third floor. Oh, there's a third floor.
Well, I guess you can get out of 9 meters. I guess you can. I'd rather more like this on the third floor like that.
But looks not. It's not
You know,
good.
you do it. Why?
Mm.
You don't like that?
No,
Oh, shit. Wait, like that?
not really. But like modern type. You know,
Modern type.
modern type
Say
of
it.
house. This one is nice too.
That's big there. Oh, shit, that's a big house.
Oh, guys.
Huh?
That one, yeah. Hindi pa guys. Wow. Kaganda ng bahay. Ayan na, overlooking.
See, he's got, and then open on the third floor up there. See
Yeah. My love, this one, no, go there.
what? Huh?
This is the, what do you call this?
What?
This is the house, the model house.
This one is?
Yeah, yeah. Ay, here?
Oh, we know. We're gonna go down here. This ain't the model house.
Yeah, this is the model house
This
that
is
I
not
always...
the model house.
That's the model house.
That's not the model. Hello.
Hindi, naikot lang kami, tinitingnan namin yung mga bahay. Pero doon kami, pupunta kami sa ano.
We go up this way again.
This is the model house that I always see in
No,
in
that's not the
Facebook.
one we were looking. We looked
No.
at. No.
I know. But there's a lot still, oh. Yeah, probably did like they thought like we are lost. Oh, ganda. But it's not like totally developed, like a lot of people. I think like, oh, the bus. So where are
This
we gonna
way?
go? Yeah, I think so. And the others. Ayan guys, hotel and water park. What's in there?
Huh? Probably. They're gonna have the.
Ito yung condo. Condominium. If you want to have a condominium here. This one is a nice spot though. This condominium. It's small but it's a good spot for overlooking. Condominium guys. But I think it's more nicer the other one, the one that we had. Because there's a golf course.
Yeah.
Rather than this station one. O, diba guys? Okay. Oh, see? Mga condo din yan. Condominium. It's a condominium. Yan, condo. Condo ng Kamaya. This one is a good spot though. See? If you are in the, like, you know.
Well, we can't check in yet anyway.
Huh?
Until we can't park here, we can't check in. Too early.
Oh, that's nice. We can't?
Honey, it's too early. It's not even 11 o'clock. It's only 11 o'clock.
So what time we will?
Well, I don't know, but not maybe
Oh,
we'll go down to the beach area.
okay. Golf villas.
Ooh, there's a little got the waves out there.
Oh. Looks like they
Oh,
don't have an
waves, yeah. Oh,
inflatable.
yeah. Huh?
The inflatable was gone.
They won't be there now. It's too rough.
Pagbaba nyo guys, beachfront na. Oh, di ba? Guys, oh, may airport oh.
It's like 2
Airport.
kilometers. That's a long ways away.
For the airport?
Yeah. Should we go look at the condo?
Huh?
Should we go look at the condo?
Actually, Mom Sel said like, I'm gonna call her if we are here already. Oh!
Huh?
Oh, they built something in here now.
Good place to park. What are all these people doing here? Oh shit. Lake vehicles. Oh shit. Well, we can't get up there now?
Huh?
What the heck? I guess we're gonna park in here.
Oh my God. Kami nakalabas uli para kaming ano ba yung
Ay lang po.
oh. Well, soon Gulf Town Kamaya. Oh.
Bali ma'am, magkakaroon din po tayo dito ng Lucid Hotel.
Ah, ganun? Ayos ah.
Dito po sa park po na iba. Diyan po sa malaking lote.
Dito?
Sa may kabila.
Ang galing naman. Alam mo, maganda dito talaga pag fully developed na to, talagang ganda. Dito na siguro kami titira niyan. Oh, nag-ano na sila. Oh, may ano na.
Sa second.
Second building. Oh, at least
So
they have
dito-
already,
Huh?
they already have a, what do you call that? Like post or something. Tama-tama talaga, magtatagal pa kami sa US tapos ano, pagbalik
that's-
namin.
Okay.
Ganda. That's it. Oh.
Put the window down so you can see.
Oh. No, hindi na yan. Titingin lang
Okay,
yan.
so when this one's done, you think it's going to be, this one be done by the end of next year?
First quarter of next year.
That's going to be done by the first quarter?
Ang second building.
Oh,
The third building will start.
okay.
Oh, okay.
So we're going to be,
Ah, okay.
when we finally get the visa for it. That's okay. I just wanted to see how they were doing. And I mean, they were down in the
May
bottom.
nakatira na
before.
to, Ma'am Sel? Na in-
Yung mga gamit na po yung property
Ah.
owner.
Ah, okay.
Naglulupa po sa mga things.
May enjoy na nila yung kamaya. Ang ganda dito ng ano. Ito yung nagustuhan namin eh. Pero kung nauna siguro to, Ma'am Sel, hindi na kami kukuha ng lote. Kaso nauna yung lote eh.
Side.
Pero gusto pa rin namin pag ano. No, but it's okay. Oh, it's still nice. Wala, ang ganda no.
Yeah.
Yan oh, yung likod, no? Kwendo. Yung
Opo,
sa
yung
doon,
mga-
oo, yung atin
sa model
ano,
house.
model house. So pinost ko, sabi ko inaalo ko nga pati mga basher ko. Sabi ko dali. Oh, ano, kaya niyo dito lang tag 32,000 to 500. Pang-asar na ano pang-asar na pang-alok, o di ba? Malay mo kukuha sila, o di
Straight
ba?
right here?
Yes,
Oh, that's for golf carts.
Even for the
Okay.
first.
Dito yung model house na, oh. The model
Ayun
house
po, the
here.
model house.
Remember before when we got here?
What? The model
The
house?
model house is here.
Oh, I didn't know that. I guess we did go up here then.
Nakalimutan nyo niya kasi.
Right.
Okay.
Sa right tayo.
This is the corner lot, sir.
Ay, ito ba yan?
Sa may kabilang kanto po.
Ah, kabilang kanto.
Yun na yun. Mataas na location po, ma'am.
Kaya nga, ang ganda, oh.
Ganda nitong corner lot po na to.
Which lot?
Oh, this lot.
The
Right,
left.
right here?
Yeah. That lot, sir.
Oh, guys! Bili na kayo dito, guys. Napakaganda. Yan yung model house. Guys. Uy, ang ganda, ma. Alang
How far does
ganda.
this lot go
My
back
love,
to the
oh.
next street there?
Yes, sir. one is
Ganda.
very nice. Much more lower elevation compared to this. This one is the higher elevation.
Guys, ganda ng house.
Ito man bagong bahay din to eh.
Oo nga.
Kakatayo lang po nito.
Ay!
Tapos lang. This one.
Baka yan yung sa ano, yung parang nurse yata sa US sila. Tapos veterinary yung asawa niya. Dito daw yung bahay nila eh.
Tapos yung katabi po niyan, ma'am, kliyente ko rin po.
Oh,
Yung katabing lot.
This is the one we went in?
yeah.
Yes sir, this is the one we went before.
Okay.
Ang ganda pala nito. Hindi ko masyado kasi itong naano
This one sir is
dati.
almost 300 square meter the lot.
Oh, ganda guys. Oh, model.
Oh, the lot was? Yeah, lot is? 300?
Yes sir.
Oh, see.
Ah, so same size. Ay, 300,
No,
but
300.
395.
Yes sir. 300 300.
Oh guys. Guys, kuha na kayo guys. Oh, ganda ng bahay. Ah, dito. Yeah. Here. Para makabenta si Ma'am Sel. O, di ba guys? Oh. Ito 300 square meter to. Okay. Ta-da-da.
Here sir, left.
Left.
Left?
Left.
Left?
Right.
Right?
Okay.
Ah, okay. Diyan.
Yes ma'am, yung mga
So, sayang.
dito.
Kaso noon hindi ko pa kilala to eh.
Opo ma'am.
Gagi. Guys, bili na kayo. Nagpo-post nga ako eh para ganda ng Kamaya. Mga ilang years kaya ito ma-fully developed, Ma'am Sil, no? Yung fully developed talaga.
20% lang po itong station 1.
Oh.
Ano po kasi ma'am, pagka ganito naman po kasi, wala talaga siyang as in fully developed. Kasi yung
Ay, oo.
every year, iba-iba yung mindset niya.
Ah,
Iba-iba yung gusto niyang mangyari.
kaya nga.
Dati
Pero at
po-
least,
Opo,
dito ang
ito
ganda
yung
na.
golf course, yan. Kasi po, dati wala namang pong plan magka-condo talaga. Ngayon po, ayan.
tapos ngayon meron pa uli
Opo.
bago. Ano
Every
to?
year.
Golf Villas. Ay, ano to? Itong isa. Ano ba to? Bago
Golf
niya.
Town.
Sunrise, oh.
Golf town po.
Golf
Commercial,
town.
mga commercial.
Wag.
ano po.
My love, oh, you're close to the golf.
Yeah, I
Golf
see.
course. Oh, tignan mo
You
yung
should
bahay
start
doon.
practicing how to palo. How to...
Marunong yan? May golf.
Oh,
You
okay.
see. Then, I'm going
sige.
here, ma'am. Then, ayusin ko po.
Sige.
Para mamaya,
Sige, Ma'am Sel. Thank you so much. Kakain sana tayo?
Busog po ako. Kakakain ko.
Ah, ganda naman, oh.
I don't want to get run over by the...
I wanna ride. Ang ganda.
Opo, ma'am. Ma'am,
Sige.
tawagin niyo ako pag may kailangan po.
Ah, sige.
Dito lang po.
Oo. Thank you, Ma'am Sel. Pang snack, gusto ka?
Ano yung 396 ha?
Ah, sige. Napasubo. Guys, son to open. Kamaya San. O, diba guys? Oh. Oh. Yan yung hotel guys. Tingnan nyo yung Kamaya. Golf cart. Taran, taran, daran, dan, taran. Ay, ganda dito. I want rice. Bathroom. Guys, tingnan nyo guys, oh. Guys, ganda. Ganda ng restaurant nila.
Kung stress na stress ka sa akin sa personal, bisitahin mo ang social media ko. Para stress ka na, haggard ka pa.
Ganito pag gabi sa Kamayakos. Hmm? Kamayakos. Welcome to the sandbar. Ayan. Guys, oh.
Hoy, kung feeling mo, inggit na inggit ako sa'yo, magpa-check up ka na. You're not feeling well.
Wow, Dada is there. You want?
Oh, look, see, Dada. Where's Dada?
Wow.
Take them out on the water out there. Oh, not that one?
Park Cafe. Bago to Mars, ito oh. Wala to dati. Ito, yung ano na to.
Yung park?
Yeah. Guys, oh. Yan. So, dati wala to eh. Pavilion. Doon maganda oh, may ano doon oh. Ano? Ito, may potato corner. Ang ferry, alis yan. Oh. Maganda, no? Ayun, no, may nagkakayaking. Bukas na lang tayo. Tayo, hinga muna tayo.
College or a university hospital in the States. Look at New Mexico, like one of the best in the Southwest. I'm just saying, like, if she wants to do her own thing,
Okay.
Sige na!
Yung cookies mo na tatakpan yung camera.
Hindi kaya. Hindi ka naman, hindi mo alam. Bye-bye. Ang kagwang. Yeah, all gone.
Oh, gone.
See?
Oh, okay.
I'm glad we got it.
We got one, yeah, they're in building 3. Oh.
Ready to guys, oh. Like that. A lot of people. Hi.
Francisco
Did they
come to the pool?
I don't want them.
Where'd they go?
I don't know.
Oh, jeez.
Wah, tuan-tuan. Yay! Nawa! Yay!
Buti to hindi
Good,
itim.
daddy, oh. Oh, your friends and daddy, oh.
Hindi naman.
Guys, oh. Nandiyan na sila eh. Oh, sila na. Dali na. Sila na. Ayan na, oh. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Oh my God. Oh, you want again? I don't want it.
taas naman yan.
Ang taas naman pala nito, gagi. Okay. Uy, ang ganda. Guys.
Ay, nakikita kita dito oh. Nagbibilang pa nga eh.
Dito kuya ah. Mamaya magpapicture-picture ako dito.
Yan. Oh, di ba? Kita-kita dito yung
Welcome.
Kamayakos.
Ay, ang ganda.
Alam niyo guys, ayon kay Kuya Kim dito, marami daw ditong coral reef.
Guys, ang ganda.
Ang ganda dito. Kuha ako sa inyo guys, pumunta kayo dito para maranasan nyo.
Guys,
Diba?
welcome to Kamayakos Inflatable.
362.
Taasan mo ba? Maganda yung taasan.
Yan
Hindi,
o.
yung ano mo? Yung ganyan. Anak kuya.
Ayun ah. Oh. Ano, tumalong ka oh.
Saan tayo punta? Ay, oo nga.
Huwag doon banda oh. Dito umiyong. Diyan oh. Para di ka mo ano. Oh, di ka mahirapan.
Dito lang kayo? Ayaw niya. Nahulog na nga kasama eh. Hindi na kami nakarating. Baka yung phone kasi mahulog. Eh, kuya, dito ka na lang.
Ay na.
Ako lang tatawid.
Oh, kubahala. Di tatawid din ako.
Balik mo pala tayo dito.
Oo nga.
Diyan ka lang. Ay, kaya pala sinagip sa atin na
Di kaya ko naman kumabidyo eh.
Ah, yung dalawa.
Ikaw lang mau.
Agahan natin ng blur. Uy. Oo nga, kuya.
Oh, di ba?
Oo nga. Mahirap talaga pag ano.
Ikaw dyan?
Dapat pala bumili. Ay, ano tayo ng ano.
Sige nga, pag nahulog ka dyan.
Oo nga.
Paano pag nakapunta ako doon mag-isa doon?
Huwag, mamaya na nga, palitan tayo kasi nga baka mahulog ka.
Di.
Akala ko na yun. Siguro malumang.
Pwede naman.
Uy, uy. Ano pangit mo na lang?
Huwag kayo nahulog ka.
Uy, nakakasama pala dito. May dala ka ng cellphone. Oo, okay. Kaya dyan ka muna, palitan tayo. Wait lang.
Ikaw lang dyan.
Kaya, lalangoy naman ako dyan.
Pwede nga.
Bumalik na tayo bukas tayo magdala ng phone.
Pwede, ito lang 360. Hindi na ako kaano dyan eh. Bahala ka dyan. Dito, kaya pumunta ka dun.
Sarap.
Dito na ako, di na ako aalis dito.
Balik tayo. Si Uyo kasi.
Ang laki niyan.
Abot na. Guys, kaso wala kaming pang-cover. Ay, mana, maliwanag. Mali, maliwanag. Ay, guma. Guys, ang ganda ko.
Oh, di ba?
Tara na, kayang gold card. Ito. Tara na. Ganda. Ganda guys. Oh. Tara na. Doon sa dulo. Wala na nag-parking. Noah! Hi, hi. Say hi. Uh-oh. Parang may ano yan. Kasi oh, parang nagbubutas. Hi, baby Noah. Thank you.
Where are we going here?
I don't know. It's up to you. If you wanna go back home or just look around first here. It's still early though. We still have 11 a.m. too.
We sit down for a bit, huh?
Okay. Ito yung view.
Ano yung natunog? May nagkakaryo ka ba?
Hindi. Ang sounds lang. Kami naman videohan.
Itong lawas.
Ha?
Itong lawas.
Siyempre.
Picture ba? 1, 2, 3.
Sobrang itim ko na nga.
Wala.
Ayoko na malapit ha.
Ano ba?
0.5 lang.
Doon si Kalini.
Kasi ang view eh. Okay lang naman. Gusto. Okay lang. It's okay. Why? I don't care.
Okay.
And the view. Ako na tingin. La, my Matilda, yes I do. Good morning guys! Welcome to Kamaya Coast, Bataan. Ito yung aming view in the morning with the bar and then the, you know, guys, oh may ano oh. May pusa. Black. Wala pa akong pure black. You know?
Pagupit ka na.
Ah,
Mamaya may...
mga pusa sa beach. Yan guys, may store sila oh. Kamaya Coast Store. Oh. Bili ka ng ano dyan, swimming trunk. Ang ganda ng view. Ha? Uy. Bakit? Hindi. Own a hotel? That means they will sell it too? Own a hotel? Ano ba yan? Ano po yung hotel? Ano siya? Parang property din? Oh! Pero mga sold out na yan yata dyan eh.
Yung sa hotel, kung may mga may-ari na po yung...
Ah! Yung dito sa ano. Ay, kasi una yung na-sold out na.
yes.
Hey guys, oh, may sakyan-sakayan din sila. Ghost
Are you
cart.
Kitty? Oh, okay.
Ah,
Thank you.
why? I'm your caddy.
No, love. That's what I'm saying.
I know.
Naano niya sa akin?
She could get a job as a caddy.
Mm.
People tip them. They drive the cart. They have to drive the golf cart.
Babangga ka sa akin.
I'm gonna buy my own golf cart. Ganda dito guys, no? Ayun yung nagre-rent kayo dyan ng golf cart for 9 hours. Doon yung ano, property namin, paakyat. May mga bosses sila. Free access na rin dyan. Bayad na yan. Diba? Mga shuttle yan guys. Babakit kayo sa water fun. Sa taas. Thank you. Come again. Ganda guys, no? Saan ka pa? This one?
When you got these condos over here, and it's both sides here.
Actually,
People are staying in now. See,
actually this one is like there's Airbnb
They're-
here,
I'm
but
sure they'll be
they are not included.
park it outside so we can hose this thing off. It's all mud.
This
Mud all
one,
over the
this
truck.
one is 180 still. No,
Huh?
this one.
Could be. So you just you got to shape the different direction. Most of these are not. I don't know about this one here. It might. I don't know. It's pretty close.
This?
That's going to be pretty close to 180. Yeah. Oh, see, that one's for sale. See? Oh, okay.
Oh, this one too is for sale. Oh, the owner of that one is artist. I don't like the way they build their house.
What we want. Come here for weeks, month, whatever.
But looks like the people here are all retired. Like, you know, I don't like that. But I think it's cheap because it's nice too. Oh, a lot of like development here. This is the way out, my love. Mom Sel said, like to go down there in the ocean.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the way out rather than to. This house is big too, but it's too far away from the beach. But it's close to the main gate. Look at this. Okay. Tapos yung isa namin kasama. Safety na safety, no? Bye-bye. Ang ganda ng Kamaya. Kamaya Coast. We'll wait for them. Oh, Lynn. Yo, ganda ka po, no? Ganito parang Subic din. Ganda. May mga, ano. Sa Subic naman, mga yate. Hindi pala yate dito. Mga ano. Ay, ito lang. Sa Subic naman, puro yate ang ano mo dun.
Okay.
Parang ang gulo, no?
So we have crappy traffic.
May mga cargo ship. Yeah. Kasi ganito sa Bataan dati, di ba, yung mga gera-gera. Kaya nga yung sa taas doon, no, yun yung memorial. May kahoy-kahoy. Ah, ganda. Ay, ang ganda, no? Ang mga puno. Watch, oh. Ah, ganda. Parang, oh, stunning beauty. They put something like, oh nga, ting. Maingay. Maingay pag hindi mo anuhan yung
Front of
kabila.
the jeepney.
So, which one? Ah.
Huh? I said I wanted to get in front of the jeepney.
Oh, ganda. Oh, view. Nila dito guys, CR.